Hello folks. We had a run on these. I grabbed the last couple cans of this. Alright, it's fortified milk by Nestle. The big cans are gone. I only could find this size only. Okay, I do have plenty of powder milk, but this is in the Spanish food aisles. And when you see Spanish food specialties start disappearing, you know something's going on. I checked the rest of the store. Spam's gone. Vienna sausages are gone. Try to find a cup of soup, a normal cup of soup, all gone. So that means two things. Something's coming up. Be on guard. Head on the swivel. Make sure you get your supplies now, because I think it's going to be really bad. Okay? Because I have friends of mine who are talking about weird power failures. Catch you later, folks.